Okay, Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to take your speaking level test after 2 months of your course. And first of all, how are you today?
I'm doing great by the mercy of Allah. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Could I know your full name?
Absolutely. According to my certificate, my full name is MD Saim, but my family members, my relatives, my friends, in a word who know me, everyone loves to call me Sam. So if you feel free, you can call me Sam, and I am quite familiar with this name. It's my nickname.
Great, and where are you from?
Basically, I am from Munshiganj. It's a part of Dhaka division, and it's located banks of the Poda River. And Munshiganj is famous for potatoes. If I describe about my hometown, actually there are many reasons for which our Munshiganj district is famous. But I will describe something of them. First of all, I'd like to say that some famous person in our area. There are many famous persons in our area. You know about Jagadish Chandra Basu, scientist Jagadish Chandra Basu. He is a great scientist, and he has proved that trees have life. And apart from this, there are many famous persons in our area, like Chashi, Nazrul Islam, and Humayun Ajad, great poet, and so on. If I describe about visiting place in our area, there are many places in our area, like Idrakpur Fort, and Baba Adam Mosque, Mawa Ghat, and twin temples, and so on.
Okay, I got it to your point. Thank you very much. Are you a student?
Yeah, actually, I'm a student. I have completed my IELTS exam in this year, and right now I am a student of Rahat English here, and I'm learning spoken English.
Okay, so why are you learning English?
Actually, first of all, I have to say that English is very essential and crucial for us. At this moment, without English, we can't get a good opportunity anywhere, inside the country or out of the country, anywhere. Without English, we can't get a good opportunity. And English enhances our personality. And whenever I want to go out of the country for higher study, we must read English. That's why I'm learning spoken English.
Okay, that means you would like to go abroad.
Yeah, I would like to go abroad.
So, have you chosen any country to go?
Yes, I have already chosen a country. I have decided that after completing my spoken course, inshallah, I will try to go Australia.
Okay, right now you live in Dhaka city, and how long have you been there?
Right now I'm living at Mirpur in Dhaka. I have been living here for 2 months for my study purpose, and I'm learning spoken English from Rahat's English here.
Do you love traveling?
Yeah, absolutely. Everyone loves traveling. I'm not exceptional. First of all, I like to say that traveling refreshes our mind, and it helps us to increase our thinking power, and we can get a lot of out knowledge whenever we go somewhere for visiting. Whenever I go somewhere for visiting, we can meet new people who are properly stranger, and whenever I talk with them, we can get many information from their culture, tradition, religion, language, and so on. And especially, I think traveling is the most important for them who are suffering different kinds of problem like depression, anxiety, anxiety, and I think traveling will be most benefited for them.
How many places have you already traveled?
It's a nice question. Actually, I have gone Cox's Bazar 3 months ago, and that is properly charming place. And Cox's Bazar is the largest sea beach in whole world.
Do you think after joining here, you are improving day by day?
Yeah, absolutely. Because whenever I was in my house, I couldn't speak properly in English. I just knew about some grammatical rules. After coming here, I can speak, and right now I'm able to speak in English. Doesn't matter actually what I'm saying right or wrong, but I have a confidence that I'm able to speak in English.
Okay, thank you very much for your speaking test. Inshallah, now you're doing great, and you'll do better. Thank you very much. Best of luck.